Management of change, in action at Xmo Strata. Steve Knight, one of our electricians, went to a site to replace LED signage on a canopy. He reviewed his safe system of work. He discussed with the site manager who signed off his work clearance form. Then he followed the plan and went to isolate the power before starting work. So, what happened? There was an isolator switch on the canopy to isolate the power to the signage. But the switch was past the off position, so he thought something might be wrong. So what did he do? He immediately stopped work. He reassessed the new hazard, and his control measure was to isolate at the distribution board instead, which he then recorded on his work clearance form. Next, he opened the isolator casing. Inside the casing, he found that the switch had been removed and the cables connected. He installed a new isolator switch, which he had on his van. The new isolator switch would now isolate the signage when in the off position, returning the circuit back to complying with wiring regulations. This allowed him to carry out the replacement of the LED signage. So what was the result of Steve's work? We've eliminated the hazard at source. We have made it safe for future contractors at no cost to the client. We haven't improvised. We have followed procedure, and hopefully, we've prevented an accident. Thanks for watching, and we would appreciate any feedback that you have on the new format.